Here's everything laid out on the floor that came from the package. Everything did come in good shape and it was well organized. I like how this fan was very easy to set up. There's not a lot of parts that you have to put together. You will have to wire this up yourself, but it comes with an option to control the light and the fan on one switch, or you can have a light switch for both the light and the fan. And here's the inside of the fan itself. I had to fit this fan into an existing hole in my ceiling, and the installation bracket that this comes with was awesome. It made it very easy to install this fan. Here's the hole where my old fan was, and you can see where I installed the bracket. It fit right in between my ceiling joists, just popped it right in. And here's the attachment for the exhaust that slides right into the fan itself. Fortunately, this fan was compatible with the previous exhaust duct that I had set up. And here is the fan after I mounted it to the installation bracket. And the exterior cover pops right on and it plugs in, comes with a light. As you can see, I gotta clean up the ceiling a little bit, but this light is much brighter than what I had.